Now let's focus on our topic of the day. Abusia yen say before 20 yen can say 2023. Na yen say Chama Wontumi ene Kennedy ohene Agyapong. Omo ye close friends pa. Yen na ye wo video bi kura o ha Chama Wontumi call net 2 or Oman FM. Ano ne Kennedy Agyapong te ho a omudi nkoma Kennedy Agyapong si Wontumi so de one criminals nkwa na nam because of discussions bi ana omo ye wo radio no so. Now ya will say before that, the contact between these two men was very solid. Party members, the same party members, business tycoons, and they were doing their things together. But since Yewura Sabio Kennedy Ohini Agyapong ye na dwene say opese ome conteste the flag bearership program, the flag bearership position in the MPP. Ehwa na one Chama Wontumi omuntam say yeah. Ni nyina say Chama Wontumi was not in support of Kennedy Agyapong. Sadie we she Kennedy pa say no. We are madam for. Me ne wo na anante a niema nyina me ne wo na ye. But enema ba se me bepe panyini adi wo party ma wo se wonte ase. Enam we suma Kennedy Agyapong ne nimia Raphael Agyapong omubufu ye pa with yankan say
ekira womo actually Wontumi
lawyer Kennedy Agyapong ni Chama Wontumi all of a sudden they became enemies. Emma Sabio, we have some videos whereby Kennedy Agyapong was actually threatening Chama Wontumi or threatening seriously pa, not threatening seriously pa. And I'm where suma Chama Wontumi ba bonten ebeye press conference e can say ono de threaten na Kennedy Agyapong de threaten no suro because in the past Kennedy can journalist bi ho asem on TV so and chena nipa ne ka ba bi enti ono de osuro enti Kennedy hwe ne ho yie anye saa obe report no ama police same way generate a lot of yen can say hatred be among these two people. Everywhere that they got themselves, they were always, pushing one another. Yen can say, Chama Wontumi at a point, or calm more down because he did not wanted to what? Cause much more harm. But Kennedy kept on. Maybe can say, if he loses, he will let Ghanaians see if Chama Wontumi is capable of what? Of ruling Asante, Asante, for Bekwakotoa Badiama Yura. Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. In fact, yekoto aba na mamfa nkoto aba amfa mayewura Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia. Enye we nkwa eno achi no back and forward between Chama Wontumi and Kennedy Agyapong has been consistent. Atemu die ne nkasatwie ne nsensem enam so ma Kennedy Agyapong supporters nso no ewo heavy hate pa edema Chama boss yakon. Na enu di dimuma Chama Wontumi enya threat ahodo bebre alestete e kan so be report to Chama Wontumi edna mayoko anase BNI. Kennedy Agyapong in another hand said yeah, he will also make sure say some of these guys like Chama Wontumi and other people will get arrested. And Chebiana JM ebedi akonya after 1 year, say we are going after Chama Wontumi and some others. Emma, many of the MPP supporters believe say Kennedy Agyapong know about this because it is not clear. Say Kennedy Moma Yaman a lot of contract during the MPP era. Yam friend Babia so many in Sembiano. Na enkrofobino mumna. I say we are always going after them. Abra yenim say Kennedy Agyapong so enkrofo we ewa asem a etreho. Abusia. And I'm so many Chama Wontumi first time. A man about Bontin say Kennedy Agyapong went there one day. Chama Wontumi was arrested. Even Asamba Beta Bontin said Chama ye chain or no. And the man Ebisa say on famra as a bail condition. According to sources, Kennedy Agyapong ye the first person or call say onko okwa akoye den eko sometere niema ena bra chempon baaye ena odi ajapade e baaye na ye jai chama Wontumi on bail condition enum kurampo no some MPP members can say Sam koyena yewura Kennedy Agyapong ko ho no na enye for chama Wontumi purpose, but actually it was more of say na ya friend say omra na yokufu afre for his personal investigations. Here dey ati achirede na yenim na no yeto hwan ye ba be chi chama Wontumi na de kotum say a man 20 years imprisonment for galamsey activities. Me body ma asem we beto abonten normally nka o MPP ni a I was saying I won't worry about this because Chama Wontumi hold a very big position in the party. Without him, no, it will be a very difficult stand for the MPP to survive in 2028 because of how he has groomed himself with the grassroots in the MPP. But you will say Kennedy Agyapong supporters in all the various platforms, they were jubilating. Ebinum no mu dia temper. Ebinum di attempt baby no so mo abombon judgment no could ba bonte no mo nte ase, so they don't know say in the judgment no but bia ni ho ya twere say Chama Wontumi ye galamsey de ye kan say asase so no obi akwa akoye galamsey, but still people were jubilating. Kennedy Agyapong supporters were jubilating. I'll expect about Bonten be can say am fa Wontumi kura ntuma ono be sia kwa Bonten kwa ko review another cases be on Chama Wontumi. Abusia jubilating na dey ekosopa all the various Kennedy Agyapong pro platforms. Everyone is happy because Chama Wontumi eda ho kirem. Na asem we ekoso na amanfo jubilating no. Some of us here about Bonten say maybe Kennedy Agyapong is behind them or they are doing it by themselves. Because now one say MPP ni ho akire na MPP for a jubilate. And I'm so many about Bonten video bi sokura beta Bonten say Kennedy Agyapong any afenyo markings efre yewura na JDM say almost na onfa Chama Wontumi ne bone enche no. Ema ye mahama kan say da bi onte ase because ensem bi a Chama Wontumi ka fa ne ho ahye ne pa akire yi na yesi mahama sansen de video bi a Asante regional hwan bi chairman bi announce I don't know who he is a jubilate a demanded the arrest announce na ne ho ye ne dese ya Chama Wontumi ema mahama de sa video no command yewura Kennedy Agyapong ne afanyo marking say Mosi minya papa yi, but look at say monkrofo na ankasa omo esre omo ani age omo jubilate say ya Chama Wontumi and I see Mahamadi smile emotion eto video na say that is how things end. Yeah anti hwibim afa na no ye wo hwa na video bi apopo abonte video no popo abonte na asema yewura Kennedy Agyapong kan ye e dubious still
ya ihwe ekira awomo akire Wontumi lawyer Agyapong ekira mo akire Wontumi enye ono nkwa ene MPP atitafo bi akame ya se aban ba ye water ta wode ni ese wo muso edi na wo kama
yo me mom ni ameka he said minim ni ntia ebia ndis data me mom abi ameka my disappointed here MPP for ni ankasa. And then I read 2 videos. I'm expecting any former chairman. You know, say assemble a party and you one. Na fail na your personal problems are your work. And they better bunting a divided party. I am why because saying this be winning a unity. Okay, your parliament. Embrebia honorable to force and court. NDC for no red. Now my boycott to parliament. Court and stand I don't know what has become of us. So we MPP ni power be obi painting obi ehuba sema ni jubilate. Emwe sema corner anas see a man 18 million next slump by and na MPP for money thumbs up. Meanwhile, I defended MPP. What you say? And they won't tell us about party for Alex. Let me go for because di mechi a obi afi say nya o ye no meka ho enye enyoma bi a ebe boa party mumma ekro yembra party solidarity enyina so aye boni so can you believe say obi bisam say adentina me anti-corruption crusader na honorable honorable Amir Kunfi me debe dan akoma be say we are guilty. What do you say? Until so we are guilty, we are entitled to bail because we are cancel. And the message of the MPP for internal politics, no, ye take part in it. And when you are ever opposition, say and changes as Bawi, na Yama Kuriyama, Yansia, Sanyana, NDC 4 years. At the end, I just had to force him, could them and I could default. That's what the BMO so default. They rally behind him. What you say? The message of me alone party. Okay.
Yes, and in some way now, your papa Kennedy or Henry Agyapong at the Betuja. Now, and some way a month for business on a papa no or ye adanko da diana. Because a month for say, how come? How can Agyapong speak like this? The way we don't understand. Washedana. Asem no ayen sembebre. Actually, it has tend to be a lot of things because nobody actually understand. So asem ya papa can or can with honesty and I say adanko dadade. So why do you comment section? Because me asem it goes beyond my common sense. Because all the various platforms or muye pro Kennedy Agyapong based supporters, they have been jubilating. They have been jubilating and they are calling for Kennedy Agyapong to come and lead the base so that he can become the president of the Republic in 2029. But all of a sudden, you could hear video where some Kennedy can ya na eyaba beyese papa yi you see my lining us. What is actually happening? Washeda na eyetatis biana. The entire supporters one kasa with TV stations, one kasa with radio stations, one kasa with media houses jubilate about this on radio and TV. Now Wontumi shut to more down. Now mom Wontumi bejina camera any microphone nim I can check Ghana for say you are not happy with Alestete and Enkrofo mudi wachia omo ye yenchinenko asema maybe sa papa ni say asema pese mi say papa ni say enti sa asem na oka say anase ko saman no a na amanfo ani age no opese on kire say de ne nkrofo no ye no almost the equalization ana because the way the man talk now no I think say something the way they correct be like say something where they happen where we know they understand it be like say something they hide himself in his own expression self it be like say he won't say something where you don't want to say him tell me pa me say it be like say he won't say something where you never want to say him because the way in the talk where they come bring in matter inside broken ya a lot of work I can say kwanya papa ne kasa wasan so de ono ankasa ne ho asem aba e de ye comparison no something but first my mind say why is this man doing this? Franca, Frank, Afo, second, forgive me for insulting you when I heard arrested jubilating about the chairman Wontumi arrest. Now, I say some we are sure. I said we are baba ya se bi odwere ho a wonte ase. So odwere ho a wonte ase. The ntia odwere ho a wonte ase sa kwakoye se etrene na ekon no. They are not in the same position. Because here you know say Canada Japan Alestete ne boss. Na Alestete ba bonten ebe kan sembia automatically we will all leave sebio assembia Canada Japan and as Alestete kano a message Canada Japan na person will send it through them. But asem so papa can I say that he's actually angry with Alestete. Me Alestete video and I don't want to play it because it make no sense. And for me there, I'm doubting. No doubt kakra. Doubt na woman and say, I want to understand where this man stands. I actually want to know where Kenya Japan stands. Say fire now or fire back to his supporters, no. Authentic and I say Yadanko Dada Dre. Bacho, I didn't buffers me. My dream woman tiase. Meaning because se ujama radio stations, social media platforms or more associated themselves with you. Eye nneema bi na wo so ba public be ka say woni omo nya adwene na wugya wo omo to aso ye de omo yo a papa, some of us will actually question the authenticity of what you are saying. Abusia for me do besia ene ma me esa me ntumi mfa call we be an person conference ne bia mesrema mo mfa nche me ntumi mfa call have somewhere to go etimi do besia na yankopon ya adoma ochina etumi asambe to aso. But in any case, sa asem we ya asem bi ochina mesan afa ho na yedi nkomo na amanfo no tumi afre ache won adwene on this matter because something is not right somewhere. Something is hiding somewhere which I don't understand. I want to understand and where. That's why they say. But that's why I'm making. I think say you understand me. There is something going on nowhere somewhere. Because the two position of this man and his people, no, it makes me actually wonder, and I worried about this. Me de musi ana ma cheche mu nyina. Me John Gerard Kennedy me chia ye pa, Franco fi me chia. Me mama Esther Keba de ma me chia, Agyapong me chia ye pa, Agyapong me chia. Me ya afre mpoma me chia, me nwa ba na na akua afro me chia. Dabie Ando me chia ye pa. Me nwa Sami Jesse from Hamburg me chia, and me nwa Panye Kwasi Asamoah. Me chia pa, Agyapong say great job. And I want to go Facebook. So make one of his key campaign messages for free education. Obetna kunya so amfa ni agro. Within shorter possible time, papa ni implemented the policy no. E mane be gina ne nan so ye. So to we Ghanaians, ye kwa koto aba, we believe say ade na ye di gina so koto aba no. The major campaign message na sa bre no mu okandifo a na odi amanyoko na nim kamane to ye tima ye de koto aba no de ye we ne say papa no betena konwa mu a within 1 year and I say within 6 years there now I implement it. So Ghanaians, we have an expectation. We have an expectation from your John Mahama said. The 24-hour economy now one of its major campaign message there. It should be implemented immediately with the facts and figures. Abuja, Yura Mahama betina kunywa so. Ye ko 2 years in here. 24-hour economy. Ye ngu hwe. Afei, ya tise ye be 24-hour economy office secretariat na hwan. And the mean even see kind. Or this 24-hour economy secretariat to say one office. No, it does not even operate in 24 hours. Controversy. Now when NDC MP we could be Asempa FM. Pachotium yepa. And I hope you be saying, say, well, yeah, in pass, one of your major campaign message for this past election was the 24-hour economy policy. And you be uya, dear na moye edia for 24-hour economy no ho. Bra, I had to say the yasha koya konfu. Just one question, question back when you be sano. 24-hour economy no. Ebema nipa jumaye. When are we supposed to see the 24-hour economy in the system operating? Asemba akopa yebisa papa we. Nkontomponi ntro. Na kwete said ye yasha na komfo. Listen, we are coming to analyze the stupidity that this man was showcasing. Na masanso yenti asembi so okaye. Listen.
Okay.
Let me be very.
What the president said at the manifesto launch, will win it. In the honor of the clock, the bar, and say, a Juma Bako, way from another wine clock, 133.
One parts, I 24-hour economy, maybe can't be, but I chanced on BBC.
Yes.
Interview beer. Answer here to Aban. And here from Fanchami and then many messages. Me voice me pom chopa. Only BBC.
President Mahama
ni BBC.
Mpamacho abusanfo muntie yi o. Ye bisa papa we say Asema John Mahama can during campaign time ne say he wanted to say obedia konwa obekreti 24-hour economy amanfo ma benya dwumaye. Papa we say nsama ye wura Mahama ne NDC fo ko Ghana manmu e kan kire Ghana fo ema obi kura oti hodi bi example that the manifesto launcher Yura Mahama on the podium or the croc or the watch kese be bo ho a na otrete yen say the 24-hour economy ni ya adwuma no. Papa we si sansem no nyina no e maye mfa nye hwe na mmom no asema ajo Mahama ko kan no BBC ene na ye mfa nye adwuma mpacho tie no
mu bisa nsem bebre.
Okay.
One of BBC mu bisa nsem bebre.
Okay.
One of them na 24-hour economy.
Okay.
OBT and President Mahama kai.
Okay.
Of the December elections,
so let me
24-hour economy to implement the 24-hour economy.
Yeah.
Depending on the promise.
How do you economy?
Can you explain to us what that means?
It's simple. I mean, if you
asema ma America yen nyina ne say Yura Mahama betumi explain the meaning of 24-hour economy. Yintie asema ma Yura Mahama kan.
Incentivize businesses to run longer than 8 hours. They can't run with the same number of people. They'll have to employ some more people. The demand is there. We have the African Continental Free Trade Area. We have the ETLS, ECOWAS Trade Liberalization Scheme.
How much will it cost your government to implement the 24-hour economy?
You can't put a cost on it immediately. 24-hour economy is not an event. It's a process. And so even while we're stabilizing the macroeconomic environment and bringing inflation down, bringing interest rates down, we'll be implementing the 24-hour economy. You're thinking about it as if we'll wake up overnight as soon as I'm sworn in a 24-hour economy.
Will you be able to do that in 4 years?
We will start at least.
So your 24-hour economy then is a gamble?
It's not a gamble. Why would it be a gamble? 24-hour economy is not a new concept. It's been implemented in Sydney. It's been implemented in UK. It's been implemented in Singapore.
You can't compare Sydney,
but
Singapore,
they started somewhere.
You have 4 years. Will you be able to implement that?
4 years, is that the end of Ghana? So after 4 years, that's it.
A new government comes in
and says we don't want 24-hour economy.
It's possible?
Well, that's Ghana's loss.
Yes, Abushanfo, I think so we all heard
this was before the election.
What Yura Mahama Kaya. Yura Mahama say 24-hour economy, na simple. Who nipa 20 in a year, Juma, you employ more. Nama be 60. A Juma ba kunipa mi ansane be ye. E wo BBC. Any business na o budget. Sika wo di be ye Juma we ya wo kan. E saying we are talking about BBC. Enye Captain Smart no interview no be. Enye Bobby Ansa no interview no be. enye journalist na omofu na de omonam enkrofo na so betre microphone anim na yetua won sika na nye omo. We are talking about intelligent and credible journalists. And you bisa papa ne say enti se wonni mo budget 24-hour economy no brebe mu na obetumi ayema na ye papa ne say enya de bi ono betumi ayema na ba beye possible na mbom no eye initiative bi na odeba ba chote mi ye paw na asem we de nti America safa ho ne say me pegana ni ba bi o Ghana ne NDC ni bi o NDC ono no edwene say Yewra Mahama during the campaign in Ghana obie na no ba bi gina ho kan kire yen say 24-hour economy no enye ade bi obetumi aye ne ntentema ma obi anya adwuma ye kaya kan say DVR fo nyina passport office immediate effect. But now look, Yewra Mahama kan kire amanfo say Sydney for ye 24-hour economy enti Omanya your friend Ghana for super 24-hour economy. Wow, look at this. Just say in small words, here the Mahama person can just say until when the economy of Ghana will rise up to the volume or the volume of the economy of Sydney, you know, the 24-hour economy implementation in the country can never be possible. That is what you want to tell us. But I mean, say nipa wenen sama oka na ye nkyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra ye nko yanim
me oni politician or honest say President Mahama no me hu bi na would make bibi afa budget
obi da say okay there
nyanto say papa we say there or say there is nobody or ye honest in politics like John Mahama. Mpacho menti video just a second.
Tro ya secondary schools e wo Ghana ha nyina na ya boa omo into school bia obebie poultry farm kakra na baby a wo hwe ndwan ne mponche ne ade enti emwani bi mo de benu aduane ama school for no ebi nso mbeton na school na nya sika e de aye baby fa
mpacho ye nyina yeti asema Yewra Mahama kan but akwa we ni ti so apa na say John Mahama is the most honest politician in the country. Let's concentrate on what the guy is saying. Young Comrade.
Yes. Or say 24-hour economy event. Okay, now so if you set 8 years in power, you don't even have 10 factories to show for 8 years.
Now, Mpacho nyanto wase. One will be anim. He will be animo. He will be animo yepa. Obi ashoko. Obi wa shock because akwedi asem na okay. When our promise you 24-hour economy. When our promise say 1 job, 3 shift, 3 people. And a year bisa was say that ben na sadie we yebehu that ben na man for money benya so mfaso. O dane wani a say akufo da betra aban mu emfie enwotwe. Wontumi ansi 10 factories. Ayentro so one didn't obi ani ma yesa because obi will record and say under the one district one factory about 127 factories were built or they were sponsored or they were expanded to create job. But papa nyini we ba bi wanyina duri etimi betra ho yama question. Go direct to the point. Answer the question that being a 24-hour economy be possible and tangible. But then MPP for na ehuna mane. Mpacho de tie.
In Parliament on record, no man say 150 factors.
What I heard
on record.
Mpacho me wouldn't tell.
Mpacho nyanto ba say yenti asema obi kai na yate asem na se yetie.
On record, no man say 150 factors.
What I heard
on record.
Me wouldn't tell. You don't go and then put who want to show 1 factory on an existing company.
Mpacho tie, you see where the problem is. First of all, ye ka 24-hour economy ho asem. Ye say when our promise ye. Nanado promise one district one factory. So let's assume in say Nanado eba went me implemented one district one factory. And na ya to abatia na ya pam no afira kunwam. One na manyoko. Wonso na wa promise 24-hour economy. And na ye bisa wo say da ben na sa 24-hour economy na so beba mfaso ama o man mana. Wo se na se mobile Wontumi anye one district one factory. Sanete onko kama yentia ye the evidence na beto ni mu se da bi o kan kwasem o kan trosem o twa nkontompo asem na o kan yansa anim because parliament on records of parliament and that say under one district one factory you see factories 157 with the support of the private sector. I am 127 a year juma actively productively. Kobe wano na yankasa say you don't support an existing factories. And this are buying support to enkrofua omu ajuma omu ye ne se omu ye manufacturers. Omu when in the woman be let's say juice production mu, leather production mu. And I say be a mango juice production mu. I bind the sika boy omu experience that. I'm on what me be wo nyumam no mo afa nipa. Kwasi ampanyi ni we say so nem faso. Adentia enye factory ya build ye from the scratch. Sankrofo adwene do mutim na enye o. Me kwasi asaba me makwaba. Adwene na da san this fo we no mutimi. When it comes to in terms of governance, because Ghana for we have experienced distance. Facts dodo saying and Ghana buying a war. Now some factories and I will have fancy say. And the vacuum, the last one aka vacuum. Yeah, quite cotton the Ibrahim Mahama because it doesn't work. And who in his reasonable mind would think of investing another money, say a buying kosi factory. Abra yenimu say it doesn't work. Abra yenim say a buying kosi factory no. And who in here because enye juma. But say a buying timid in Sikano eman crofo munim say juma na omo. Edisikani be one business more. They know how to manage a factory and make profit out of it. And the Jumano mube be a man for being a Juma ye productivity bekoso. But Kwasiampani was young Quaketing. Yansa Nkukonketing, Yansa Nkukonfan Command for so money. Just a foolishness. Said omoye ya enkukon keten nyansa ne mfaso bia masono yede nkuko akoma nkrofo munye nkuko daso monjenye omo. That is the same way that these people want say enka one this to one factory na buy na sorry a opejasika na the man nipa bia say gina ko be factory Jimmy entiane he's criticizing me even say ankama say even one this to one factory supported Ibrahim Mahama, yes, on Jatasment. On Jatasment. I didn't tell you run another one for Sikana money pafufuro bi so nunko be cement factory kitwa bi. Obi only experience. It doesn't make sense. So Nanado supported Jatasment because or you well established in that business. Umani sika, it is by sure say Oman incentive and Oman tax free in Asifwa. Said the Etibiano, he will make you of mine benyam faswa free in the show. But Jimmy way say a shank to said or moye and coconket and kitena and net a man for kumo moirino. And consider video. Yes, and a million even seeking. San coconket and kitty project to win. You call Doma area where there were hundreds and hundreds of farmers or mojuma moyan so moyan coco. Go there and give them money, support them to invest big and create employment. Also, go to the poultry farmers, give them money, support them, and let them become more bigger and bigger and bigger. Now you wins and same way.
This thing factory now, my catch just. Mr. Botan, I was starting here at the Astrobo form. Minimum.
But watch them. What is the sense in it to say a buying a cozy factory? If we have experience before, say a buying factory, no emphasis so. So say Hanani. She said we'll achieve something.
Give me my time. You see, Adia went in here. You should be the last to even castigate to be 8 years. President Mahama 4 years. We're only 2 crowds so criticizing 8 years. Please, me say 8 years now. We're buying. Allow me. You see, so they should be the last. Me say 8 years, but 10 district. In fact, she's went to Bianca. After now, Google. I'm telling you.
No campaign promise. I buy 24 hours.
So wait for 4 years. 4 years. Because 4 years. 1.5 years. So allow me.
So, and they say, yes, 24-hour economy, your promise. It
is a fact. They said they failed. One district, one factory. I fed your crowd, your accounts. One village, one dam. No, I'm seeing south there. Just here, the BBI and come home.
One with Jimmy. Asamba kope ni yabisawo papa. Asamba kope enna yabisawo. Ye anano yanko yanim. One village, one dam. It was done for the savannah areas. Baby and Sonye. Intending to say one village, one dam. Ewo Kumasi Maimu, Babiam in Suabu. Every policy have its purpose. Yeah, policy just for doing sake. MP before nya mwa omonko topa de mechema nkwadama you are just for shelling sake. You have to do a policy with aim, with a target, with the precise motivations and importance of it. And think one village, one dam. Ya may be one crime. Ya may be Kumasi Sunyan Babia. Jimmy. Yes, it's a when is 24-hour economy going to be functional? That is what we care. Yentuado.
Yet you be anywhere, you're fataying. It's one village, one dam. One no Sunian count. Yate. These are the people criticizing. Try me policy document on the one village wonder. Try me Google not policy document on. What bonnet trokama, what free swap. When do 2 years pay? Most start here with 6 months per grand. Most start to see a budget, you know, and then a for 24-hour economy. Papa not trim. Look, in an economy with the economy we inherited. I'm a bonnet troka. Yang energy sector. Yang see about energy swap. The type of energy you better grad your economy a 24-hour economy. You don't fix it and make sure your power sector no is stable. And yes, I don't watch it say, wow, sir, who ye macroeconomic your friends indicators now we have 24. Is that not what President Mahama said? And that is how it should be. So person we have policy na sustainable there is even no policy document on one district, one factory. There's no policy document on one village, one dam. At least certain secretariat and Franco presidency an act of parliament. And they are regulating parliament you failed. Mutam sika kwose presidency no macha aye ne amope because na mo de akwa kwose government machinery sika ase yentimi in question mu. This is your record, and these are the people ever criticizing President Mahama. You have been in parliament so say when me no nya na pass the bill
secretariat ase
24 hours office of the president.
Asamba me kan say went here me say and your act of parliament aye kire establishing it ya kire sources of funding. Is that not so? And sources of funding, it includes Sika Parliament be pass the amount. It is Parliament so pass Sika the mawa. You account to Parliament.
Yes.
That is the difference. That is the difference. It don't find government machinery sika say babeye sika oka ho asema yenye. We did what you couldn't do. At least for starters. Eti yababe to economy etisi. Esasa who build their net ya catch when now parliament minister now ni odia. Ya catch say we are constructing 1,200 megawatt state owned your friends a power plant. Ya pesi ya energy sector ni.
When you say we are constructing, what does that mean?
No, this is it. The government, this is what the budget says. It said the government is developing.
Yeah, I was saying for what they say here and some of papa you can ya. Naturally say, question na ye bisa na ne de. Onye na dwene so oba o kasa fa ho. Onye na dwene kurada say o explain when is the 24-hour economy going to be available for the people to enjoy from it. Pacho temi yepa 24-hour economy na papa no na ni abra o tietiem ha na ni na na do no de na oye na munyese no yese wo na promise ye when are you going to deliver and so na baba yasem na in who in his right sense will compare the economy of Sydney with the Ghana economy. Now, in the area, ye be son no country and say, you da Mahama and Cannibal Bia say Obama 24-hour economy no ababe ye puntum prum ama manfo anya juma ye. Mesi NDC for kaya say mpono. Ye ba beto word afamoa ho ama ya yen. That was part of the 24-hour economy. Ye kan say konkonte for beton konkonte anajo. But all the way, if you are near next topic.
Ma menum papa num mo mutiti fie. Mo yen emwa. John Dramani Mahama say what the modern farming techniques and the deba. It's under animal farming. Wo ko ba bi ti say pudon. E wo chana. Wo ko ha animal farming no wonim say jatani moa kese elephant ni ade nyina egu farm no bi enti wontimi nkose wokọ akodododo ana say wokọ wakodua nuane wo ho enti wodi kai set up plantation ni bibia wie uwia ne oja moa na gum na ja moa ne gum a wobehia omo so a wo di plane ebe fa wiem no mas asevo emoa ne nuane ne ade. Not proud to that, no. What training expert for our muso ebeshe mkwaya friend say omo ebeshe mwano so bobi area ebetima won panie ne ade na sanyoma we nyina e baswa ebeboa ma omo mawie agric e wa agric KNUST Legon omo nyina benya adwuma ye.
So with all that we are saying, I'm quite confused. Okay. My confused kakara. I'm confused and they say animal railing no say yeah animal farming no say jatani we ni nyina no ebe benefits. Yeah, yes. Reason is ebe my tourist attraction. Okay, good. Because ukopudon. Now more of tourism than say yeah animal Emwana kasa no ubetimi export to be. Okay. Who export no na sika no enioma na ekọ no. Na unya dollars. Dollars ne ba na bebo sika saba ejina. Okay. Proud to that no. Te wo make exportation no. Movement how be no adwe say wo de enioma ni bi kọ no ha. Na de ekọ no, wo de ekọ no, wo benya dollars na ba. Dollars ba because country bia na wo kan enioma more than your export to bia no. Country na ho de e ba fom and na Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ba ya wentimi anya wa ma ho chaba enti wo mo we extension officers ne ade ni nyina no wo benya adwuma ye wo mo ye ayi for masonry for no ye beto wo offensive land ni nyina o mo so benya adwuma ye proud to that
but otie 24-hour nchechire mu no enti asem na papa na kan de he is making a very big mistake ompe ba bi no nkoda na the asema ayura Mahama kan kire ye ne say oba na oba be ma 24-hour economy na ye juma ama kora bi anya juma ye DVA de nipa miensa at a day at one seat we kona we yaba 8 hours enti ye mpanche kire mu bia what we need and it's a 24-hour and konkonte fo beton konkonte banku on beton konkonte ni banku na najo enkopem the next day we kona we yaba when I want more yensa, we 88 hours, now we are 8 hours, now we are 8 hours, a cycle, now you're yeba. That is what we are waiting for. And then I'm promising yen. Pacho tell me yepa, and then I promise yen. Aye, market no, go before any memory for, since it's a lot of no age them. And the fish for more not omoton, yen can say, a fish no, almost be better than money for. And the number money for Monquatra market 24 hours. Monpa Jumaya for me, nun come home, o court no way yaba, mechanics and I say for Munina mechanics, a Kumasi magazine for Montana Ho, because when they could say a bemamu free light, a bemamu cheaper light to do your work in the night. Eko si saying, Eko si saying, and contompo, ye chang contompo to say on my ma. Ye dear Huabro. Ye din kontompo achire ya ankasa ye ho ebino montene ya maase nso ye nam na ye boda woro di mama ha ma se omra mediga na man so ene ne na abusua me ye nto aso ne ye nko yanim ensem bi nso ekoso enra ye se wura mahama esuma a police for ne soldier for se omonkobo ema a omoye nurse for na omoye demonstration na ene audio bi abeto abontra enkrama ya na ye chichi wo mu baako edi nanum nsem abeto abonten ye ntie video no na ye nsamra
mu ana wo chime na mi otia obade ti amoto bo na mi social nsem mentu bo ni bi egwo ko enkrame mi sem na ya anyen e wo chime sa me ne ko omo hono ma na me na akokasa amrana
na anyenye bia no woto ebuobo wo mu ana wo kan semi ma ne hye wo mu ana ya wo twetwe watade krampo ma ase ebi kura titi se yie
acho da bio
wanto abuo bia mo no
ebi ana mtutu nyema no hobi na na mi gile nti obi eja ne na ni be jani a wo so mi so again say me kan
na se wo ho anka de wampira
ni uniform na sisi na zip no hono mu na baby a wo so mi mu no hono mu na atu
wo hwe emfonyi ne de ato e Facebook no a wo so baby a wo color white no wo na se sa white no suru hono mu na ate
also free me color no na mi uniform zip e die kakra
okay enti abusua se wutie mi a abayo we ya uhu no picture no ma police ni barima asona otwe no te se pon aponche anase ponko no ono na ekasa no o se ye ba police fo no ba ya omo se ototobo enti ye ba abeche no ade se nkrofo yantobo bia na we when you promise the people too much, when you make the people expect a lot from you, once you know you cannot deliver them. Then I didn't say when you ba training nursing training alawa school fees here na yejit nursing training for services are any schools num services any school num utilities light bill and I say for water bill and nursing training for teacher training for one or more there. This is the cost of all but another bresono na ye ntuahwe ye kobi bia for free esa nya aduane di. What is going on here? Enkrofo na ye promise yo mo ye ba ne abema mo abra bomu ayemo fontom no ene ya dan ye ni ena ye boro won ene obi ntumi nkasa and this he was the best organizer of demonstrations and this is the opposition enkwasi ade bia e beto form pane ekura to form a and this for to me fa kwam bi so e digina so e demonstration e man ye to take advantage and insult people. But ene wone hwan ekoka se komfo ne seko wone hwan na wokoka se komfo ne seko ye bane abechewa pro ya mrowa ye bechewa kotum ye de kotum a e betima se ye ma waduane ni oba se ye ma obele nso a ye betima kose kofa Yesu Kristo na ni wakosua bra asne beja wa ye jawo ene ne ye ne momenti wona
Pala no ene zip ni munyina na twintima zip ni family. Oh, nti omo twe group car ni say no ena me zip ni nyina biye nti Ebi na so oda so chini uniform.
Oh, and it's a winning abepo.
Na be anything.
Oh. Na enye bi wadu mo kwaye no wo bo mama ne yesan.
Pacho, maybe I'm out for kind of being, you know.
Let's watch him what's on one for who can him won.
I didn't do one woman, not apprehension, or for semi piano to me, no quiet fast, and I'm meeting the bomb by the January, and me quiet fast today.
Na Saturday, Crobo, nursing and midwifery training college in Ujina Pensay.
Patrol, I think I'm whatever 200.
Tina band in Yebi, you know.
That's right.
Na ano pay Ayanyabiano, what mean woman didn't come on. Wamaba was swatcher said the AC, you know, Wamo to sre.
Patrol, that will be a shame, I'm not paying.
Na Montpellier for Mokodi said you may, and you be a woman wakasa, said the AC, and woman to one among.
Patrol, intentionally.
Marco Salmon Pan and saying, Diana, no more share free one.
Actually, I should say, Mr. Pan, number 6 on my ear.
The principal, no.
Actually, the sad and thankful will be uncashy, but I made the intimate franchise because you're there, so it's the whole team, you know. Although family boosting, you know.
A proceeding F. Bosuni nice as a Umpoku honeymoon of our Nina.
So, didn't you come on a zip near fan? I think, sir, not as a zip near fan, make him outside and all the first I didn't leave you. So, not at the office costume to make sure outside, you know. And it's like a honeymoon baby and the senior crying escaping.
Bashiratu, Yemfa see her, you better ask why.
Yes, I was going to wear the elect.
Maybe some background.
Mate, Visa.
The Siano, maybe I'm a son, a woman like your parents were around. Yeah, for me, easy. A bit friend the whole day, a bit then a Makuliani those stars. The Sia, justice for me.
Yes, and television for Yemia by Yak Atwan and Numunsem, just say abuse of power na e koso wo manum no. Ano 10 year pa. Purely abuse of power. Simple demonstration. It could be say yes, Osuma Mameji authority and free policy for her. Yeah, but you don't attack student in this way. To the point say you to okura ho. You to ankasa. Etiopa you to ankasa. Na ye brubinum na ye chibinum gukam na ye butu amanfo. How did we get here? Ebane say na yetimi bedrum pampanso we. And then this aban de ne ho odena wotumi ya no. Ajuma de NDC for to me ye ene say ye chi amanfo bro amanfo. Because the most important things a bit is a recruitment of nurses, doctors, no. Sanya man there. The NDC is trying to do everything. They are trying to find any excuse not to employ Ghanaians. And if you are some Yura Menta Ankano, you would put your saying. Eka. Say, or nipa or hair apomudren ho ensem e wo yaman no mu se papa ye fa na to force no ye safo ahene ana yen kan se o ye the finance minister no sika e wo manum no waje atena so waje sika na ofani de taxes ni agigea na o mo agye gu ho no mo de to goat ko abrochire ba enti sika wo so mo mfa nye clearance na yentumi mfa nurses mo nya adwuma na amanfo ma nye sika na economy ne urane na individuals nso no omo ho nto omo no aban na atwene to atena so enti ene the minta anka no e kire se Wontumi emfa nurses because the finance minister is refusing to give clearance for him to recruit more people into the health center. I mean the health sector. Sani Buamai. Amamone say, wajiji tax na abayan no masikanin pia bantre. Abayanin pia wekesika. Abayanin pia contractor sika. Na ama abayan no ni sika reserve no mu ayedru. Na pipes so esho se bibi ekoso. Na nso form for no esu. Is that how we rule? Is that the way that we want it to be? Oh damn. It can be. Where you have center, look at what is going also in education sector. The same thing. Tio, I say, hey, Tokwana Ekosu when this even one edre. But your mind and a sofa. Or say if Ato Forcing releases money to them to my ministry, we will buy tablet for school children from KG to primary 6. Where you had in a Idrisu? Had in a Idrisu person country say education sector honokura na nando den to my pony yem. Eye diobe to me bia. Ebema education sector no be koso kama no. Akwa we dey say that be on fa addition ho. Enti the Minister of Education the necessary fund that obey here na nka otimama addition mu enne mana kɔ nanim na nkrofo no nkwara ne benya nimdie yie no sika na nko. This is all because we want our books. Ye pese ye books no emunya fe. That is the reason why we are in government. Because ye would Dr. Bawumia can kire yen say when the economy is bad, the CD ratio will expose you. Sekura no sika na ye. Oh, I forgot. Oh. And the NDC want to make sure that 2028 ye be kwa koto abano on the CD to dollar ratio no. Amube to media major campaign message against Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Because onone ye will be a focus so much on this issue of dollar to CD ratio. And even at the cost to say schools, hospitals, any other sectors, omunyanko humasika mfanya ejuma. But the most important thing is 2027. Yeshe campaign asia and this is for me to make the dollar to CD rate a boost to on home. They don't care about the rest. Now the consequences of this misconduct of Ato Force and NSA and then the ya meno say sa conduct went no or mine hwien koso o mu ade bia ni wa ekoso ewom odie
money you are supposed to spend on flood control program.
Yes, Mimia Ivan Sankama say when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. That is exactly what the NDC want to do. They just want to use the cost of dollar from CD to make it be their major campaign message in 2028. Because Dr. Bawumia talks about the exchange rate. Now, Yemia Kojo Opon Kroma kan sembunum ewoha. Our parliament had a chair NDC for this misconduct of Ato Forcing. Say sika Emma ministries no. Say sika mayam fanye jumano. E hun sunsanswa aba wo manum. For wasuti bi. Budget na ye. Say budget we ye de koye juma ma krono gata mu aye clean. Ato Forcing say on release sika. Enye sa dollar no ne bo be kosoro. Budget ya ye say de ko education sector. Amman school kro any school adwuma school addition aye kama ma o man no. Akwane se omfa sika anko. Ayare sabia sika ye hia se ye de betom panom ye be si hospitals na asefo. Ose omfa sika no nko omfa sika no nko. Ehun sunsanso ena okwadwo ponkroma eka ewo hai.
The World Bank says because of your expenditure encumbrances, you refused to spend so that your books will look good on paper. When the floods came, 34 people died, 6 went missing. That's the cost of what you are doing. The Agric Ministry needed about 1.6 billion Ghana cedis for fertilizers and other things. You claimed you had released it. The minister came and told everybody that that was untrue. And now, what is going on out there, ask those who go to the market the price of just one tomato. You will see the value of what you are doing. The education minister said he needed to recruit tens of thousands of young Ghanaians. Because you are not giving financial clearance because you want your books to look nice, they are sitting home and they are struggling with recruitment. Look at the health minister complaining that he wishes he could recruit more. But because you want your figures to look good, the people are sitting at home. And because you are not giving financial clearance for people to be recruited on 133 shift, they are all sitting at home. There's no single NDC chairman or women's organizer whose child is working on a 133 shift. And that is the evidence of your failure. Mr. Speaker, with your permission, let me speak in Twi and I'll translate contemporaneously into English. What's the young country there? Who inflation 5%? You know, where we marry? Appropriate scale for Chrome to be ankazi. Now inflation are performed. To which, Mr. Speaker, our mothers who sell in the market say they've seen what you are doing. You have sterilized all.
Yes, enti sikana papa nse o spend no. A problem kese pa because a nipa or more suffer of that na because say abana release sikana ma yam fa sikana anye de e wo say yem fanya automatically the goods and services say wo man no it always reduces. And into a Friday no this year too much. World Bank na eka o say ato force one for sika nkwa Greater Accra Ministry ho ama yamfa nya adwuma Ministry of Sanitary sika no hia se nkode be ye adwuma yamfa ama no ene nti amanfo enipa 36 wu ye ma enipa ensia eyiraye also a good economist. Hey, that's a good economist ne se obekum nipa obema nipa wu. Now they are your economy here there and they say everybody can also do that. It's a good management of the economy. Just a fact to say obatenase na we you ani na amanfo mabewu na wo be you ani na wo be you want to say the emfa wo ho because of say you want your books to be good there and they say everyone can become a finance minister. No one say sika na ba wo de agu ho utuetua ka asa adwumayefo ntua wonka project wo man no me yanye bi ni yeyi ani. If that is the way that it should go there, everyone can be a finance minister. Ojiji tax ya yentua hwe enkwase buo nkwase mamuo na nkrofo ye budi kire ye enkwase mamuo bete na me nchenti no yenkone nkonkotie ade krono de bi andisi for person omonye akrono sembi andisi for person omonye ne se omode proposal be call Parliament temiye pa kwebani minie omode proposal be call Parliament proposal na omode call Parliament no eye Ghana ban ena di adwuma bi ko kohye company bi nsa enye 1 year deal eye about 10 years deal and this for the blank check ena call Parliament say Parliament improve as it say omo anka sika dodo kure wo so omuntua masa company no emfia dodo say na wo so omuntua masa company no company ne company ben what is the identity of the company who in branch check yes em pass unim de omo ye said the omo ye brebia omo co opposition na Ghana for ye tua some of them ye tua wonka because of kickback agreement between them omo aye no. That is the same thing that they are doing. Because you cannot come to Parliament for approval of a budget, approval of a procurement without not specifying how much are we going to involve. Wontumi mama can't say, "Yema wa kwenya na unkoto ade." Abera wonchire ade na nebo. Abera wonchire nipa okwa akoto ade na free ni ho. Abera wonchire yam fie dodo sen ne yebetua. Abera wonchire yam faso a yebenya free sa ade no so. Video we see na be phone lines na atom.
Live long. Speaker, there's a process for the multi-year commitments, and with your indulgence, Mr. Speaker, before a multi-year commitment is requested for, the ministry that is requesting for it has an idea or the model of what it wants to do, the global costs, and the multi-year fiscal implications. So usually they will do a schedule that this will take 6 years. Each year, this is how much it costs. That schedule and the global amount, even who the contractor is known before the multi-year commitment is applied for. Mr. Speaker, what is different in this instance is that there have been no such disclosures to Parliament. But Parliament is being asked to give a blank check to the ministry to go and procure. And it is that we are saying is very inappropriate. If we do that respectfully, Mr. Speaker, it is our considered view that we'll be operating as a rubber stamp. What we will pray our colleagues on the majority side to do is not to rush this through, rather let us stand it down. And Mr. Speaker, with your good offices and your powers, let them provide this information. How many years are we committing the Republic of Ghana to? What is the annual fiscal implication we are committing the Republic of Ghana to? Who are we giving this job to even? Because that information is available. It will be a travesty if they rather tell this House that they don't know, yet they want a blank check. Parliament cannot be given this sort of blank check for procurement to take place. It has some implications, and I'll end with this. The annual fiscal implications may constrict fiscal space a lot more if we don't know it and we are proving it. It could also bring contingent liability in the years down the line if we don't even bother to discuss the figures. And so our recommendations are, let's stand down this motion, let Parliament request for these details. There's no need to be in haste. Let's get these details, and then, Mr. Speaker, all of us can support for what we believe will help this country in the end. I thank Mr. Speaker for your indulgence.
The Minority Caucus has opposed these three transactions, primarily because the majority side is refusing to disclose very significant pieces of information that are required to allow us to fully participate.
Where India means style of governance. At the assembly, when this is for Yanti, say, a woman say a cocoto abano, or munya more than 50%. But the Omunyanti say, the other percentage now, Omuyam people for Mokoto abani bino. A woman say a ninku nimo dear, nanso ye part of the society. Ain't anything that they are doing in the parliament, the NDC must to understand, say, the minority side now more represent other 66 constituencies now. They must be involved because they represent 66 constituencies in the country, and their voices and their presence in the parliament represent actually the numerous people, families, homes, children in those constituencies. But the Nkrofo we in the parliament were omo take in a decision because they have the super majority, they dictate to everyone. Evans, Mefrosis here. Because they have that super majority, anything that they comes into their mind, these guys will just wake up and start just want to do it. At them bonny bay. Evans me ankasa Mefrosis here. And yes, and you bore mine. Where ye India means style of governance. A democratic party. Say also means sign check mount. What the check of a parliament. Oko kuma no ma tutum ne ho. Edi anoma na basemi ubisa me say e anoma bay. Me sign check mount na wonfa nko na wonko fele. Na what be that? Na ye moa. Di enti amoye sa.
In these transactions, and that's why we have opposed them on the floor. But we want to make the point that while the majority side goes ahead with this, number one, we will be filing the necessary RTI requests to demand for copies of the underlying contract eventually, and to scrutinize the terms and the fiscal implications that it has for all taxpayers in this country going forward. Number two, we want to serve notice in particular to the companies that are looking to participate in the fiscal electronic device transaction, that what has happened here, which is the blank check that the majority side has procured for the government, does not amount to a parliamentary approval, properly so called. And so you participate in this transaction at your own risk.
Yes, ATM for first caller. Now, NTA Nema Echo, Evans and Kama. Evans, Wakwawa.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening.